name is Clash Inspector. I apologise, there is a bit of background noise. Regards to visuals, the vehicle haven't had any major accidents or bodywork repairs. However, you will see we'll have some minor issues and blemishes and some light scratches on some panels, and mostly all of them, right? Here's some scratches around here. It's a bit dark now here, here. Some scratches on the bonnet, but all that will be in line for the 9-year-old vehicle. Regards to alloys, there are oxidation marks on all of them developing. Some of them are better, some of them are less better. Regards to interior, I would say it's excellent. The floor mats are missing. Interior is very good for its age. However, the vehicle has faults, right? There's a rattle noise from accessory drivable area, and it's not charging properly. So also lambda sensor 1 bank 1 don't have any voltage reading. That's very strange. Double check it's different scanner, but then there would be a fault. Regards to charging, that could be linked to the rattle noise, so that could be to do with the alternator, so it needs further investigation. That's pretty much about the vehicle. Recommendation tracking, that's for your preference, due to an even tire on the front. Yeah, thanks for using this.